Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by enabling accessibility and adding a TTS extension. Open Google Docs and go straight to Tools, then Accessibility Settings, toggle Screen Reader Support on. Once done, install a reliable Chrome extension like Read Aloud if you prefer extra voices. Make sure Chrome's system TTS is set to the voice and language you want, because the extension will use those defaults. Doing this first cuts setup time and ensures your document will speak correctly when you launch playback. Now prepare the document for smooth speech. Clean up formatting so the TTS reads punctuation and headings properly. Use clear formatting where required. Select the exact text you want read or simply place the cursor at the start for continuous playback. Next, open your TTS extension settings to pick voice, language, rate, and pitch. These settings affect comprehension and pacing. Make sure to test a short paragraph so you can tweak speed and pronunciation before committing to longer reads. To finish, trigger playback and monitor pacing. Use pause and rewind to navigate. If you need an audio file, export via the extension or record system audio using a web audio recorder. Once done, proof listen to identify mispronunciations, make small text edits, or add phonetic hints in parentheses to correct names or acronyms. If audio fails, restart Chrome and confirm the extension has microphone or audio permissions. That quick restart fixes most permission or conflict issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.